Hi, welcome to Holoneos, the revolution of AI. We will show you very quickly something that can change your life, make AI very easy for you and increase your productivity many times. Let's go to the application. As you can see, this page is very similar to other AI applications, but we made many improvements. We have a personalized virtual assistant that can change the name. You can communicate with it both by talking or by writing or just choosing one of them. The reply will happen in the same way in talking, in writing, or separately individually. The answer in writing is always different than the answer in voice, so you will have two inputs. Also, this is a very short example of use. For instance, we will use voice. Hello, how are you today, Dara? Now it is processing.
Hello, I'm doing well, thank you. How can I assist you today, boss?
And we can do in writing.
Please read the response below on the screen.
And this is the most important part. You can basically do every task that you do over the day using particular menus. We have here, for instance, if you want to arrange an appointment, you can go here. You can basically ask the question that you want, which in this case was this one, transfer it, edit it, do whatever you want, put the subject, include the recipients that are in your agenda, and send it. You can do basically the same in this second menu with emails. You can produce any email that you want, you can customize, you can give it any format. You will produce a very nice email, edit it, do it in a few minutes and send it as you want. Then we have here in the menu also documents. In documents you can write any kind of text that you want. It can be creative stories, it can be a business plan, it can be a marketing strategy. You can do in pieces, and basically once you have the story, you can pass it here. You can basically edit, do whatever you want, and keep adding chapters to the story, saving it, storing it in the cloud that we have for you, and prepare this document over the time until you are ready. Then we have the same for Excel sheets. Actually, it produces any simulated spreadsheet that you want, as the ones that I'm showing, and again, you can edit, add more pages, re-edit, come back, open, save in your disk, save in the cloud. Coding, the same thing. You can basically produce any coding that you want, keep editing, keep increasing it, and editing again, coming back. The research. This is a very powerful tool to conduct your research. It doesn't matter if you are a university professor or a student, you can get any type of information you want with the coding, and then again you can edit to add more information. And finally, we have here, let's just show you the browser. So please, that's it. I think it's better that you just try by yourself. You have 1 free week, you only have to subscribe, and you can cancel anytime to test our application. Thank you very much, and we hope Holoneos will help you to use AI in a comfortable way and increase your productivity many times. Thank you.